For any industrial piping, pressure drop calculation is very much important for liquid lines like water, lubricating oils, naphtha, HSD, kerosene oil, etc. The nomenclature for pressure drop calculation are: capital D is internal diameter of pipe in meter, small d is internal diameter of pipe in millimeter, small f is friction factor, small g is acceleration of gravity equals to 9.81 meter per second square, capital L is length of the pipeline in meter, Re is Reynolds number, it is dimensionless, V is velocity of liquid in pipeline in meter per second, epsilon is absolute roughness or effective height of pipe inner wall irregularities in millimeter, mu is dynamic or absolute viscosity of liquid in centipoise Cp, mu is kinematic viscosity in centistroke CST, rho is density of liquid in kg per meter cube. To calculate pressure drop, first we will have to know dynamic or absolute viscosity mu of liquid. It is property of a liquid. Absolute viscosity of a liquid is a measurement of its resistance to internal deformation or shear. For example, absolute viscosity of water at 20 degrees Celsius is nearly 1 centipoise Cp. 1 centipoise equals to 10 to the power minus 3 Pascal second. 1 Pascal second equals to 1 Newton second per meter square equals to 1 kg by meter second equals to 10 to the power 3 centipoise. Then we will have to calculate kinematic viscosity nu of liquid. Kinematic viscosity is the ratio of dynamic viscosity to density. Kinematic viscosity nu in centistroke equals to dynamic viscosity mu in centipoise divided by density rho in gram per cc. Then we will have to calculate Reynolds number. Reynolds number is the ratio of dynamic forces of mass flow to the shear stress due to viscosity. It is dimensionless number for determining the nature of flow, whether laminar or turbulent. Reynolds number Re equals to dV rho by mu. If Reynolds number less than 2000, then the flow is laminar flow. If Reynolds number in between 2000 and 4000, then the flow is in critical zone. If Reynolds number is more than 4000, then the flow is turbulent flow. Then we have to derive friction factor F. For laminar flow, that means Reynolds number less than 2000, friction factor F is a function of Reynolds number, and friction factor F equals to 64 by Re equals to 64 mu divided by dV rho. For turbulent flow, that means Reynolds number more than 4000, friction factor F depends on both Reynolds number and relative roughness. That means epsilon by d, roughness of pipe wall compared to pipe dia. Then friction factor F is derived from Moody's diagram. For critical zone, that means Reynolds number in between 2000 and 4000, the flow may be laminar or turbulent depending on several factors like change of section, change in direction, presence of valves, etc. The friction factor for this zone is indeterminate and has lower limit based on laminar flow and upper limit based on turbulent flow condition. This chart shows pipe diameter versus relative roughness. For commercial steel pipe, absolute roughness epsilon equals to 0.05 millimeter. For example, for 450 NB steel pipe, relative roughness is 0.0001. If we divide 0.05 by 450, that means absolute roughness by diameter, then also relative roughness becomes 0.0001. This is Moody's diagram. These vertical lines are Reynolds number and these curved lines are relative roughness. The crossing point of Reynolds number and relative roughness is the friction factor F. Now pressure drop calculation. Pressure drop in straight pipe is calculated using following Darcy's equation, which is valid for laminar or turbulent flow of any liquid. Pressure drop delta P in meter liquid column equals to FL V square by 2GD, and pressure drop delta P in Pascal or Newton per meter square equals to rho FL V square by 2D. Then pressure drop in various fittings and valves. Pressure drop through various fittings and valves are calculated based on equivalent length L by D or resistance coefficient K. K is defined as the number of velocity head lost due to valve or fittings. Pressure drop delta P equals to FL V square by 2GD equals to K V square by 2G, where K is F into L by D. The ratio L by D is the equivalent length of any fittings or valves. Now resistance coefficient K for various fittings and valves. For gate valve, K equals to 8F. K is L by D means equivalent length. The meaning of this is pressure drop through a gate valve shall be equivalent to pressure drop in a straight pipe having length equals to 8D. That means 8 times of pipe diameter. For globe valve, K equals to 340F. For swing check valve, K equals to 50F. For lift check valve, K equals to 600F. For full bore ball valve, K equals to 3F. For butterfly valve, 2 inch to 8 inch, K is 45F. 10 inch to 14 inch, K is 35F. 16 inch to 24 inch, K is 25F. For socket weld end 90-degree elbow, K equals to 30F. For socket weld end 45-degree elbow, K equals to 16F. For SR means short radius, R equals to D 90-degree butt weld elbow, K equals to 20F. For LR means long radius, R equals to 1.5D 90-degree butt weld elbow, K equals to 14F. For T, flow through the run pipe, K equals to 20F. For T, flow to or from the branch pipe, K equals to 60F. Now let us take an example of pressure drop calculation. Say one cooling water pump is discharging 350 meter cube per hour at discharge pressure of 30 meter water column, that means 3 kg per centimeter square. Pipeline is commercial carbon steel pipe 10-inch size, that means OD equals to 273 mm. Thickness is scheduled standard, that means 9.3 mm thick. Up to user point, pipeline contains 540 meter straight pipe and 10 numbers of 90-degree LR elbow and 1 number swing check valve and 2 numbers gate valve and 1 number globe valve. So, what will be the available pressure at user point? Pipeline inner dia equals to 273 minus 2 into thickness equals to 254 mm. Pipe cross-sectional area equals to pi d square by 4 equals to 0.0506 meter square. Velocity through the line equals to 350 by 3600, that means meter cube per second, divided by cross-sectional area equals to 1.92 meter per second. Viscosity of water equals to 1 centipoise equals to 1 centistoke. Reynolds number Re equals to dV rho by mu equals to 254 into 1.92 into 1000 by 1 equals to 487,680. So the flow is turbulent flow because Reynolds number is more than 4000. Roughness of commercial pipe is 0.05 mm. From relative roughness chart, we get relative roughness epsilon by D as 0.00018 for 10-inch pipe. From Moody's diagram, friction factor derived as F equals to 0.016 for Reynolds number 487,680 and relative roughness of 0.00018. From relative roughness chart, we get relative roughness as 0.00018 for 250 NB commercial steel pipe, and from Moody's diagram for Reynolds number of 487,680 and relative roughness of 0.00018, we get friction factor F as 0.016. Now total equivalent length of pipeline having ID equals to 254 millimeter is straight length of pipe equals to 540 meter. For 10 numbers L are elbow, L by D equals to 14, so L equals to 10 into 14 D. For 1 number swing check valve, L by D equals to 50, so L equals to 50 D. For 2 numbers gate valve, L by D equals to 8, so L equals to 2 into 8D. For 1 number globe valve, L by D equals to 340, so L equals to 340D. So total equivalent length equals to 540 meter plus 10 into 14 plus 50 plus 2 into 8 plus 340 into D equals to 540 meter plus 546 into 254 divided by 1000 equals to 678.7 meter. So pressure drop in meter water column equals to FL V square by 2GD equals to 0.016 into 678.7 into 1.92 square divided by 2 into 9.81 into 0.254 equals to 8 meter water column equals to 0.8 kg per centimeter square. So at user point available pressure will be 30 minus 8 equals to 22 meter water column equals to 2.2 kg per centimeter square.